welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick swipe. The sun is already setting, so I just wanted to play with some paint and decided to pull out a cake board, start prepping it and just put it on camera. Why not? You never know, maybe something beautiful will happen. You know, I've been obsessed with the swipes lately, so let's see if we can make this work. Okay, just put some white base on here. We have to hurry because this base is going to dry quickly and the sun is going down. Almost out of my gold. But let's see. Let's use some black swipe color and I'm going to pull towards myself. Then I think these will work. Use some white swipe color, swipe the sides. Do it on the other side. Okay, let's put some gold here. And swipe with some black again. I'm going to pull toward myself. Let's add a little bit more paint. Spread this out. Okay. I might want to add some gold right through here, and maybe just a little bit here. Got everything out of the way, and let's spin this. And we're done. So I just turned on my foam flash just to because the sun is down. I'm going to clean up the edges and let's keep our fingers crossed that it dries nicely. Thank you for watching. Bye guys!